Starting solids at 6 months can feel exciting, but also a little scary. In this video, I'm sharing a complete 30-day first food plan using the safe 3-day introduction method. This helps you watch for allergies while slowly introducing new tastes. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll share the most common mistake parents make when starting solids and how to avoid it safely. Let's begin with the very first food. Day 1 to 3, carrot. For the first 3 days, we're starting simple. Carrot. I'm using 30 grams of carrot and about 50 milliliters of water. Steam the carrot until it's very soft. When it easily breaks with a fork, it's ready. Blend until completely smooth. At this stage, texture is more important than taste. The puree should be thin and silky, no lumps at all. If needed, add a little breast milk or formula to make it smoother. Carrot is naturally sweet and gentle on tiny tummies, which makes it a great first food. Watch your baby for any reaction before moving to the next food. Day 4 to 6, apple. Next, we introduce apple. Use about 35 grams of peeled apple and 45 grams of water. Steam until soft. Then blend, using the same steaming water for a smoother texture. Apple adds a mild natural sweetness and contains fiber that supports digestion. Again, keep the texture very smooth and offer just 1 or 2 teaspoons at first. Day 7 to 9, sweet potato. For days 7 to 9, we move to sweet potato. Peel and slice about 40 grams. Boil until very soft. Blend with a little water, breast milk, or formula until creamy and smooth. Sweet potato is rich in vitamin A and provides gentle energy for your growing baby. Remember, milk is still your baby's main nutrition source. Solids are just a complement at this stage. Day 10 to 12, avocado. Now we introduce avocado. Use 30 grams of ripe avocado. No cooking needed. Simply mash or blend until creamy. If it feels too thick, mix in a little breast milk or formula. Avocado is full of healthy fats that support brain development. Day 13 to 15, pumpkin. For pumpkin, use 35 grams with about 50 grams of water. Boil until soft and blend until smooth. Pumpkin supports immunity and digestion, and most babies enjoy its gentle flavor. Day 16 to 18, pear. Now we begin introducing grains and plant protein. Steam 35 grams of pear with 40 grams of water. Blend until silky smooth. Pear is very gentle and can help if your baby experiences mild constipation. Day 19 to 21, oat
Use
porridge.
15
grams of oat powder and 60 milliliters of water. Cook into a smooth porridge. Let it cool slightly, then add breast milk or formula. Oats can help support your baby's iron intake. Make sure the porridge is thin and easy to swallow. Around 6 months, iron becomes especially important. Oats provide fiber and support iron intake. Offer slowly with a spoon and allow your baby time to swallow. Day 20 to 24, zucchini. Steam 35 grams of zucchini with 40 grams of water. Blend until very smooth. Zucchini is mild, hydrating, and easy for beginners. Even if it tastes plain to you, babies are experiencing completely new flavors. Stay with me, because after this final week, I'll share the biggest beginner mistake to avoid. Day 25 to 27, chickpeas. Use 30 grams of soaked and fully cooked chickpeas. Remove the skins for smoother texture. Blend thoroughly with breast milk or water until completely smooth. Chickpeas provide plant protein and iron, but texture is extremely important here. Blend extra well. Texture is very important here. It must be completely smooth. If needed, strain the puree for extra smoothness.
Day 28 to 30, potato.
Peel and slice 40 grams of potato. Boil until soft and blend until creamy. Potato is filling and gentle, making it a good final food for this first month. Provides easy to digest energy. If it feels thick, thin it with water or milk. Important reminders. Introduce only one new food every 3 days. Continue milk feeds as usual. Start with one small solid meal per day. Increase gradually as your baby shows readiness. Never force feed. Watch for choking hazards and always supervise feeding. Mistake to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes parents make is replacing milk feeds too quickly. Before 12 months, breast milk or formula should remain the primary source of nutrition. Solids should complement milk, not replace it. Move slowly and confidently. I hope this complete 30-day 6-month baby food plan helps you feel confident starting solids. If this guide was helpful, please like and subscribe to Little Bites Kitchen for more structured baby meal plans. Next, I'll be sharing the 7-month baby food plan with more textures and combinations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.